Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So welcome to March. I have no idea what happened to January and February, but we are now in March. But because we are in March, I figured this is the best time for me to show you guys some of my favorite snacks and dishes and such because this is my birthday month, so this is how we're going to be celebrating. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make sweet corn pancakes. About 7 years ago, my brother and I went to New York, and there was this vegan restaurant there. I think it's called Francia. Francia? But anyway, the first time we went, I ordered their sweet corn cilantro pancakes, and they were so good. So much so that when I went back again with my husband and my brother, like 5 years later, it was one of the places that I had to go back to just to have that particular item. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. It's super easy. I left out the cilantro because I don't have cilantro. But yeah, it's one of those very quick and easy snacks that you can make. It's definitely not a meal. You can use any kind of corn. You can use canned corn. You can use frozen corn. We bought a bunch of sweet corn from Costco, and we boiled them the other day. So I'm just gonna use the leftover corn for this. So it's kind of perfect and it works out. But anyway, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so that was it. This is what it looks like. I have the soy sauce on the side, and then I also have kimchi too. You can pretty much eat it plain too if you want to, because it has this like sweet and savory type of feel to it. But yeah, if you have frozen corn, canned corn, fresh corn, leftover corn, this will definitely take care of that for you. So I hope you guys give this a try. Let me know in the comments if you do. If you have any requests, please leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.